Getting this early morning charge in. Normally takes about, I would say probably 35, 45 minutes to charge. It'll tell you, you know, everything, keep track of everything. What's your mileage? The sun is starting to come out. Oh, this dude got a screen up in his Tesla. What the? Oh, he must be an Uber driver. He Uber driving in his. He got a screen in his. That's crazy. And he got a trench coat too. Bro, really got a screen in his shit. What the hell, man? All right, but yeah, he's probably a killer. This dude like a killer. Uh-oh, he saw me. He's bleaching it. Oh, hell no. Bro, really cleaning out. Who is this dude? He got a big-ass trench coat on, too. Make sure the killer don't see me. What? He really got, like, plexiglass in the middle of his... He do Uber up in there. Or he's a murderer. That's crazy. He tall as hell, too. Hell no. What he cleaning out? Blood? He got plexiglass in there. I think he saw me too. I ain't got no tint on these windows, so. If something happens to me, creepy man did it. He getting the blood out. He cleaning up in there. What are you doing up in there? I feel like Disturbia. What he cleaning up in there? Look at him. He got a piece of plexiglass right there. You see that plexiglass? What is he doing up in there? He saw me.